Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to disable offline mail in Gmail. So very basic and simple setting to turn off and disable offline mail. Just you have to log into your Gmail account. Once you log in this right side panel, top side you will see setting icon. Click on it. Now left click on see all settings. Now here last option offline you will see, left click on it. Now just you have to disable offline mail, uncheck this box. Just you have to deselect this setting, then save changes. So this is the basic and easy way to disable and turn off offline mail in Gmail. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this video useful for you or not.